What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I got this really crazy idea. I think this is just what happens when you're bored and in quarantine. And I don't have hair anymore. I've had long hair for a really long time, and the last time I cut it really short was like 2-3 years ago. If you guys are OGs of the channel, you remember that. I think it's that time again. We're in quarantine, there's nothing else to do, and I'm just kind of over how my hair sits and how it's uneven, so I just kind of want to start fresh. So I think today is the day, guys. We're gonna be shaving it off, and I am not alone. Anthony is also gonna be doing it with me. We have a group message with all the boys on Instagram, and literally all of them voted yes. So we're gonna do it, boys. Oh! Dude. Yo! Bro, what? Look at all that hair. That was actually long. Bro! Well, boys, there's no going back after this. Let me see yours. Can you see it? Dude, this is low-key a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. Oh well. We got months to grow up at it. Alright, well, I'm done. My head is so round. It's Anthony's turn. You ready? Dude, keep half, bro. Oh. Dude, oh my god.
Bro, I'm going to the military.
Well, there it is, boys. We're all done. So yeah, that happened yesterday, and honestly, it's not that bad. I feel like, I don't know, I feel refreshed, like starting over, you know? It's cool. After I did this, I thought of a good idea, and actually, I don't know if it's a good idea, but I know it would be super funny if any of you guys are down to shave off all your hair. Tag us on Instagram, post a story, tag us on Instagram, and we'll repost you on our story. I think it'd be super funny to see a bunch of you guys do it. Anyways, today I just wanted to come out and hang out with the subie and just do something, you know, get something done on it. We haven't worked on this car in a really long time, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking when the new setup is gonna happen, so we'll be talking about that a little bit later in the video. What I think I'm going to do today is get this car all cleaned up. It is super filthy. I haven't vacuumed this thing since like the end of summer, and I know I don't drive it, but I'll feel a lot better knowing that it's clean. All right, let's pull this bad boy out. Plug that in. I actually need to get some new floor mats. These are super worn out, and I think I want to get the black ones, but it doesn't match the blue carpet, so I might just do a black carpet in this car. I think it'll look a lot cleaner. And I'm also missing my driver's side one. If you guys don't know the story on that, I actually stepped in dog poop and then got in my car not knowing I stepped in dog poop, and it got everywhere. So I just ended up throwing that one away. And now I don't have a driver's side one, so I think I might just do the black carpet. What do you guys think? All right, and let's turn this on. There we go. That looks so much better. Look how faded this floor mat is compared to the carpet. It's like two different blues at this point. And that's what not having a floor mat has done. You can kind of see where my feet sit when I'm driving, and it's created holes in the carpet. I guess just another reason to switch over maybe to a black one. And the back is looking a lot better as well. This oil has been sitting here for the longest time. It's the one we're gonna use when we get the car back up and running. Let's clean up all of the interior. It's super dirty too, it's all dusty. And can't forget the doors as well. Gonna swap this one out too. We get these air fresheners at Subie Fest, and the first year that we went, we only got one and we regretted it because they smell so good. So now every year that we go, we make sure to stock up on a bunch of these. There we go. So there's one more thing that I want to clean. I got some inspiration from a video that I just saw, and I've been meaning to do this for a while now. I just haven't exactly known how or what to use to clean it. Stitching on my steering wheel is supposed to be white, and as you can tell, that is gray. So I'm gonna grab some soapy water and a toothbrush and just try and scrub down each individual letter, and hopefully we can make it look brand new again. I still can't believe that I actually ended up winning this steering wheel. And we also got the Chasing J's hardware all around it, which makes it look so much better. But anyways, let's go ahead and try and get this all cleaned up. Got my soapy water and a toothbrush, and now we're just gonna scrub it down. Once it dries, it should look a lot better. Alright, well now I feel a lot better knowing that the car is going to be clean when we are ready to drive it. Well, it's starting to snow, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit about what's going to be happening to the car and what's going on with it right now. It's kind of weird because this winter has been the longest winter that I haven't driven the car, but it's also the winter that we've gotten the least amount of snow. It's mainly just because we don't have wheels on the car. It's still going through its maintenance period. The new setup is still gonna have to go on because we're taking the flares off, for those of you who don't know. It's been really hard on the build this time around, and it's also been really hard on the channel. I know the content has been lagging lately. Once again, I apologize for that, but it's all gonna be worth it once everything comes in. The good news is that everything should be here by the end of this month. So by the end of April, we should have the new setup in, we should have the new wheels here, and then we can get started on that big project. But the most important thing before anything right now is getting this car put back together, getting the turbo back on, getting all the oil leaks fixed. Like I said, Javi's gonna come up and help me do that so we can get it done quicker. That way we can get it on the dyno, get it tuned, and get it back on the road as soon as possible. For the new setup, I do have new wheels coming in, but I wanted to ask you guys in what order you wanted to see everything get done. Should I reveal the wheels once the new setup is on and like everything is on? Or should I just reveal them before anything else? That way we can have wheels to actually go dyno the car and all that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm excited, guys. I've been playing the waiting game for a long time now. It's been almost 3 months. Everything is coming from Japan, and anyone who's ordered from Japan knows that it can take 3 to 4 months for everything to get here. With everything that's going on right now, it could even take a little bit longer, but hopefully we get it late April, early May. My goal for this car is to have it with the new setup, all the maintenance stuff fixed, back on the road, by summertime. So if we can make that happen, I'll be happy. But either way, it was really nice to come out here and actually get something done on the car. The interior looks nice and clean now. Let me know what you guys think about the whole carpet thing. Should I keep it blue or should I switch over to a black one? Anyways guys, my bald ass head is getting cold out here, so I will catch you in the next video. Remember, if you're down to shave your head, post it on your story, tag us, and we'll repost it on ours. Peace out guys.